dun sa kaibigan ko. Nasa Uber ako. Mamaya ako mag-call. Bye. Chine-check ako ng driver. Sabi niya marami daw siyang kaibigan na Pilipina. Kasi narinig niya yung kausap ko yung mga kapatid ko.
A lot of Philippine women are very beautiful.
Yeah, it's not just that, but they're very caring and they're like, you
Exactly.
know, they taking care of their husbands really well.
That's exactly it.
Sige lang, mga banners niyo. Kain tayo. Meron kaming monggo, tapos, ano tawag dyan? Pork, and then, onion and cucumber. Sinabi ko kay Madel nung papunta ako dito, yung Uber driver. Chinika niya ako nung chinika, nakakainis. Like, ang dagdag niya, super. Parang
Saan ka galing? Bakit ka nag-Uber?
Sa bahay, hindi naman ako ni Alex sinatid.
Hatid kita uwi. Gusto mo?
Huwag na, magbalik ka pa. 30 minutes din kaya. Tapos,
Alalahanin yung gas.
oo, mahal kaya ang gas. Uy, mas mura mag-Uber.
Ang mahal ng lift.
Magkano?
Hindi ko alam, basta ang mahal.
O hindi ako gumamit ng Lyft kasi ang mahal.
Kaya
Mas
nga,
mura ang Uber. Uber
Ngayon,
ka?
noon, nung hindi pa nag-ano yung gas, sobrang mura ng lift, di ba?
Oo.
Pero ngayon, ang mahal ng lift. Alam mo,
Yeah.
sa papunta sa veterans, di ba mga $7 lang?
Yeah.
Diyos ko, sa lift, ano na siya, mga 17. Ganon. So, nag-Uber na lang ako kasi mas mura.
Mas mura talaga Uber ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung bakit.
Hindi kasi hinihelp sila ng company din.
Pero, ang kunwari, magbayad ako sa kanya.
Mas malaki kasi company ni Uber.
Pero pag sabi niya, ang nakuha lang daw niya is $15. Pero yung binayad namin, more than $15.
Half nakuha ng Uber.
Ay, ganun. Ang laki pala.
Kaya si Jason, tapos ano din yan siya sa ano, nag-take din yan siya.
Ah, asim!
Buoy. O ayan.
Late pa na yung reaction.
Pag-isip talaga siya.
Kain tayong mangga. Ano dyan? Nag-hi ka ba?
Hindi. Baka busy kasi nga Mother's Day. Nalate ako. Pag oo, pagbalik ko.
Nangyari?
Hindi na ako nakapag yung Amazon sa labas. Amazon. Diyan lang sa ano.
Hindi na kumagana?
Umagana siya.
Mother's Day. Ano ginawa mo ng Mother's Day?
Ang ginawa nila. So, binili na
Mag-try ta ng chocolate. This is the Swedish chocolate. Super sarap nito. Alam mo yung binigay niya sa akin? Ako lang nakaubos.
Masarap niya.
From Sweden. Sweden.
Pamangkin ko.
Hindi mo na-meet si Nicole. Si Nicole.
Madami akong
Yung-
sinend din sa Sweden, sa kaibigan ko, sa kay Alexa. Mag-send na.
Sarap.
Ay, hindi ko pala yung nadala yung maliliit.
Yung Sweden chocolate guys, super sarap niya talaga. Tingnan niyo yung itsura.
Sana yung nilagay natin ito sa sausawan. Wala. Wala.
Yeah. Ang ganda ng mukha niya. Uy, tara na! I got it! Thank you! Wait, we're gonna ride elevator. Malapit lang naman, 5 minutes. Go. Wala palang mirror. In-expect ko may mirror. Ikaw kaya mag-try.
Ayoko. Mga batag yun ang kaibigan sila.
Ah, mas okay pang open yung window. Mas cooler sa labas.
This is going to pick up.
Yeah.
Last time nung magkasama kami, siya, magalis na ako. Kasi nandyan na siya.
Palikuan mo siya dito.
2 minutes. Mag-bye ka sa vlog ka.
Nandun pa yan siya.
Iwan ko na si siya. Siya yung
Bye.
nag-drive. So, magkita tayo sa bahay. That is so fast. Wanna go up here?
Oh, the quietest of all, baby.
Wait. I brought poodle. Do you want poodle? I don't want to wait for the traffic because I don't want to pay too much on Uber.
Oh, you're the quietest of all, baby.
If I waited, it's gonna be rush hour. The Uber that I took is super strong perfume. The Uber that I took this morning to that guy, he told me about his whole life. That is why I don't want to sit in the front because they will keep talking to me. And he told me her friend has a girlfriend from Philippines, actually a wife, and he married her, and then he passed away 3 years ago. And they had a kid. Natapos na niya yung solar panel. Nakabit niya na lahat. And then, yung tinatrabaho niya ngayon, itong chair and yung sabag driving. So, ang kulang na lang is yung battery, tapos yung pag-connect ng mga wires. Casey, what do you want? I'll give you puto. Bumili ako ng puto kasi yung friend ko mayroon siyang katrabaho nagbebenta ng puto. So, bumili ako kasi gusto to ni Alex tsaka ni Casey. Tingnan mo. Mura lang siya. Tara. Wala siyang keso. Kasi hindi naman siya kumakain ng keso. I'm gonna try it. Sarap niya. 2, 4, 6, 8, 12 pieces. Tastes like mayroon siyang coconut milk and sugar. Here. What happened to the battery? Feeling ko yung perfume sa car nasa damit ko, nagdikit. What? So hard? Maybe I can do it.
Let go, don't push it.
Kumagat. Look at the nice chair and wheel. I didn't see you bought that wheel. Where did you bought it? Walmart?
No, I had to buy the whole steering system.
Oh. Let me see if I can drive it. Easy. It's very comfy. It's not bad. I'm very sure I can drive this boat and I can't wait.
Just make sure this doesn't.
Ito yung mga pag-wiring. Very complicated man siya. Kasi isang wire, iba-iba yung connection niya. And ang dami-dami niya. So, itong block na to, na pinupull down there ni Alex. Para to sa steering wheel. Casey, you don't do that. You want it? Come here. Chew it. Chew it. Chew it. Chew it. Chew it. Left. All the way. Hirap niya sis. I can be a driver. I feel like it's not bad. Like it's very comfy to sit. Not terrible. Ang layo. Like, oh my gosh, this is not for me. One more?
You can put it in the middle or whatever.
Okay. Let me turn it. I can't wait to drive. I cannot wait to drive. I don't know how fast this can go. Do you have idea how fast it can go?
Turn it?
Yeah, I did. I went to the right. I go all the way.
No, that's fine.
Oh, okay. What do you call with this? This. The what?
The motor, what do you think?
Oh,
it
the
is?
motor. No, I can't remember what's the name of that. I thought it was engine or motor. Is that the same?
No, it's fine, but yeah.
It's like Casey. I'm not sure kung ang tawag is engine or motor. So palagi akong nako-confused. Yeah, I just said to forward the boat. Think to forward the boat. Going palikod and then pa-forward. And then ito naman para to dun sa like example natumba yung bangka or something happen, so hawakan mo to. And then, mag-i-stop yung boat. Press and stop.
He works?
He went back to work now.
Same place?
Different company. Guy said, is your husband jealous a lot or he's just very protective? The driver Uber. I don't know why he said that. And I said, he's just very protective. Because she wanted to make sure I'm okay with him. He has a girlfriend, Mexican. And she broke up with him. And he said he is heartbroken. And it's very hard to move on. He told me a lot about like his life. And he is diabetic. And his mom had a cancer. Like he already told me the whole story of his life when he is driving. Shai gave me this from Philippines. And then also she gave me a wallet from Philippines. Look. It's nice.
In the Philippines?
She went to the Philippines, remember? She stayed there for a month. Siya, ito yung this is the pasalubong I got for her. I like it. Super thoughtful siya. Gotta go inside. Are you done or still gonna work here? Go inside. I'll give you a treat. Casey, come on, let's go inside. It's already 5:30 na. So magluto ako ng dinner. Mag-stir fry lang ako ng vegetable. And tapusin ko na yung vlog dito, guys. Kaya I think mahaba na yung video. So, thank you for watching. Papush!